Once again, we are going to start a new activity. This dynamic activity, speak and speak. There are some slips. Look at this way, okay? And some things are written there. A topic is written there, right? Some beautiful topics are written there. आपको अपने मर्जी का एक स्लिप खूबसूरत सा सुंदर सा उठाना है and you need to speak 3-4 minutes, not more than that, right? And this will obviously से होगा क्या? कुछ नहीं होगा, तो फिर कोशिश क्यों करे बे? लास्ट तक देखना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, right? You must watch the videos very carefully till the end if you really want to understand what will happen with this beautiful activity, right? Okay, so at last I'll give some beautiful tips, okay, for improving your English speaking, right? You will come in the center and you have a challenge to walk till there, till here, right? यहाँ से वहाँ तक वॉक करते हुए बात करना है एंड विथ फुल एनर्जी, विथ फुल बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड विथ फुल स्टाइल, ओके? एज वी ऑल नो एसएमबी इंग्लिश में ये सब आम बात है. इट्स द कल्चर ऑफ एसएमबी इंग्लिश. व्हाट इज दैट ब्रदर? आज का पहला दिन है आपका, तो बोलिए इस सेंटेंस को. इट्स द कल्चर ऑफ एसएमबी इंग्लिश. बोलिए.
It's the culture SMB English.
वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर हिम. ट्राई. शुरू हो गया बोलना, बिकॉज वी हैव वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्पीकर्स एंड विश्वास नहीं होता है तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के देखिए. हजारों वीडियोस, हजारों तो नहीं, लगभग 400-500 वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे एंड दोज वीडियोस विल डिफाइन आवर कैलिबर, राइट? So this is SMB English. All right. So I want to call my first speaker today who wants to come here in the center. Please raise your hand, show your interest and show your energy, show your belief and come in the center. Okay? Please, who is there? Yeah. Okay. Tantana. Oh wow. So bad यार. एकदम टेंशन वाला टॉपिक आ गया. Very sad. See, he is very much intense. He is thinking. You will come to know very soon, don't worry. Okay? All right. Anxiety. पॉजिटिव बात करते करते नेगेटिविटी से शुरू हो गया आज. Okay. चलो, नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव बनाना हम जानते हैं. Yes sir. Yeah, please. Please be careful because
So once again, good morning all of you. How are you guys? I'm not perfectly fine for this moment because it is the first time where I feel nothing, emptiness, because I have to talk about anxiety. And all of you know that I am data centric boy. I love facts, datas and many more other things, but I don't like these types of topic. But today I have to speak about this topic. So it is a big challenge for me.
right.
So I'm taking this challenge seriously. So now I'm going to tell you about anxiety.
Anxiety. Yes.
What is anxiety?
Anxiety.
What is our
टेंशन का बच्चा.
demotivation? What is our, it means who kills our peace? Who kills our motivation?
Right.
Who kills us?
Right.
That is not the people, that is not our society, that is the thing which comes from our inside.
Right. Right. देखो जी, नए मोटिवेटर ये लोग हैं.
So,
मोटिवेटिंग द बेगूसराय,
Guys,
मोटिवेटिंग द बेगूसराय.
must
right?
listen it. No one can stop you on this earth.
Right.
You are the first and the last person who
Hey,
can
you are
stop
the first and
yourself
last person.
on
Yes.
this earth.
Yeah, on this earth. Very
That's
good.
why I'm saying that always do your best. Always think that you can do anything on the world and nothing is impossible on the earth.
Nothing
Everything
is
is possible. If you are alive, it means everything is possible and everything is in your hand. You can do anything on this
Right.
world. Why you feel anxiety?
Yeah.
Why you feel demotivation?
Okay.
Why you are not motivated?
Why do you have anxiety?
Why you are not excited to do
Why
anything?
do you have anxiety?
Take any challenge for a achievement.
Right.
Think that that is not a challenge. That is the part of my life.
That
I
is
have to
opportunity.
achieve that at any cost.
Right. Excellent job. अच्छा लग रहा है. पहला दिन है, right?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay.
don't start your day with the broken piece of yesterday,
Oh, wow.
because every day, every morning is the first day of the rest of your life.
The rest of your life.
So
Rest of your life. Right.
always be positive.
Always
Do
be positive.
whatever you want to do.
Right.
Never feel anxiety. No one can feel you demotivation. No one can feel you down, because you are the master of yourself.
Right.
You can do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Because this earth is a stage where all of we are playing any role.
Right.
And we have to play that role
Now
with our
other person will play
great
his role.
potential.
Okay. Now
Because-
other persons, okay, will
because-
play his roles. Okay. So
because we
Ansar,
have
please.
brain, because we have heart, because we have everything.
Right.
What we need
He is
and
not going
what
to
we
stop
need
today.
else.
मौका मिलने की
We
देर है.
can
He is going to
achieve anything
very good.
because no one can stop you. That's why I'm saying that if you wanna love, everyone stop you. But
Right.
if you wanna give love, who can stop you?
No one can stop you. No one can stop
Have
you.
anyone's power to stop you?
No one
If
can.
you wanna money, everyone can stop you. But if you wanna give money, who can stop
Who
you?
can stop you? Give
No
me
one.
money.
No
Hey, give
one
me money.
can stop you.
Give me money, please.
If you wanna money, everyone stop you. But if you wanna give money, who can stop you?
No one can stop
So
you.
give money,
Give money.
love.
आज ही फीस दे दो मेरा.
Okay.
Right. Give my tuition fees, everyone. Okay. Take it seriously.
So-
Okay. Okay.
So I have to say a lot of things, but
But
there is
time
time
doesn't-
bonding.
Yeah,
That's why. That's all about me. Thank you. Thank you all of you.
That's okay. What's a nice start. Okay. पीछे से चले जाओ, पीछे से. Right. Now, let's start. And second student, okay. Your kismat is here. Kismat हम भी मतलब क्या हो गया भैया? Your luck is here, right? You're very fortunate, okay. You have lucky mug, right? Boys are rocking today, right? Thank you. Stop. Okay, okay. मिला दिया, right? Yeah. Close your eyes. No, close your eyes. Now. देखो आंख बंद करके. आंख बंद करके कैसे
Yeah,
देखेगा? देख
देख
लिया. Oh wow. Opposite of anxiety, peace. Peace. Shanti.
So hello everyone, top of the morning to you.
Good morning.
So firstly, I want to talk about peace.
Take the chance.
As you are listening about anxiety, it is the opposite of peace. What the peace means? Peace means inner satisfaction.
Peace
Peace
is
means
inner satisfaction.
soul satisfaction.
Wow.
When you do anything, and that time, if you feel energetic, if you feel motivated,
Right.
then that means you get pieces.
Yes. You get peace. Okay?
Yeah.
You want to
And
get peace.
peace is in
Conceptually.
everything. In everything, peace lies.
Okay.
If you found, like in environment, in yourself, in everything in this world, peace lies.
He is peaceful person.
You have to just know where is the peace lies.
Okay.
If you do any work with your action, with your energy, then that time you found the peace.
You find the peace actually.
And
peace,
this
yeah.
peace makes you happy, makes you strong, that makes you always happy, always
Right.
motivated.
Right.
And peace is everything. Why we are living in this world? Because of inner satisfaction, because of peace.
Right.
If we don't feel peace, then what the hell we are doing in this life,
Right.
in this world?
Okay.
We,
सामने कैमरा सामने peaceful हो जाएगी.
we
Peace,
always
yeah.
need peace
All right. Yeah. Okay.
in
yeah.
every life.
Yeah.
And peace, if you do anything to satisfy anyone, then that time you don't find peace.
Thank you. Well done. Thank you. सर इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो अगर कोई किसी को कह देता रेस्ट इन पीस तो बुरा क्यों लगता उसको? मतलब पीस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. Go there.
No, sir, it's based on the situation.
Situation
Yeah.
based, okay. Now you cannot. आप निकाल के दो स्लिप. Yeah. चुन रहा है. Look at what is written here. Emptiness. What is that?
Yeah.
Emptiness.
Speak about emptiness.
Okay, this side also
So,
empty people are there.
I know.
Yeah.
So I wanted to actually speak about this topic. The first thing that I would love to speak about emptiness, it doesn't mean it has nothing. It means that you are not getting that thing. Because the world is full with a lot of things. there is happiness, there is sadness, there is loneliness.
Right.
A lot of things is there, but we found emptiness.
Right. Everybody is empty here.
Yeah, from
I'm
inside.
empty.
Yeah,
This glass is
seriously. No, this glass has some
Something.
piece of paper.
Emptiness is very positive actually, by the way.
Yeah,
Yeah. If you are empty, you want to fill. And if
Right.
you fill, you get. And if you get, you are happy.
Right,
So
sir.
emptiness is very positive.
you are right.
I'm always
As yeah. So I'm coming. As emptiness, I want to say that if you are empty from inside, just I can say put some positive things in yourself. Okay.
गुड पॉइंट
Yeah.
लेट्स क्लैप यार कम से कम क्लैप करके जिंदा होने का सबूत दो यार मैं बोल रहा हूँ कंटिन्यू
Say that emptiness is not bad. You can be empty, but don't be lonely. Just have some positive thing from our nature, from our society. I know so in society you will not get that, but you have positive mind you can get. Thanks a lot.
comment box, okay? Because your appreciation matters. Don't be empty, okay? Write something, okay? Thank you. Should I walk this side or that side? No, I'm not confident that side today. Anyone from this side, okay? Who wants to try? Please try करने को कह रहा हूँ भैया डरता हुआ बंदा आ रहा डर ही दे दूंगा टॉपिक तब okay?
Where are you going?
No, you want to pick, please. Pick one flip. ये तो मुश्किल वाला देखने का नहीं दे Oh wow, what is that?
Dignity.
Oh, so great topic, okay?
Please change it.
Oh, no, I cannot change.
I have no words.
चल दे. Can you change the topic? मना कर दिया.
I wanted to change.
I want to change. तू तो ट्राई करके देख लो. तू अपने मन से ट्राई करो देखते हैं बोल पाते हो.
What is
Oh wow, that's a very beautiful topic. Anshu. Anshu is the topic. This man is the topic. Just capture him. Anshu is the topic today. Wow, very great topic.
Speak about him.
So,
Yes. Variety है. Thought देख रहो.
so
इस level
beautiful
का.
morning to all of you. I hope everyone is fine.
Ask Anshu is fine.
Anshu bro, you are fine? So, my topic is Anshu. We all know about Anshu. He is our senior and he is a very great motivational speaker in our batch. So, I wanted to talk about Mr. Anshu. So, he has the great caliber, he has the great motivation, he has the great talent
Right.
that he is giving in our classes. He make our classes very positive.
Walk कर लीजिए positive हो जाइए
He
right.
makes our classes very positive.
Positive right.
He
walk and speak yeah.
he gives us very energetic morning
Right.
that we wanted in our classes.
Right.
So
मतलब he is better than sir. You mean to say that?
no sir,
ज़्यादा हो रहा बाबू.
no sir. You are the great one, but
You are matchless. Yeah.
we can say sir, you are matchless.
Yes,
But
obviously I'm matchless.
Anshu
right?
has the
yeah.
great mindset.
Yeah.
He has great ideas. He always wanted to give some ideas to everyone. He
Right.
always wanted to motivate everyone in our class.
Right.
So, Mr. Anshu Bhaiya, I am very happy to see have you in our classes.
हाथ मिला लीजिए ना करके.
So I just wanted to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all.
Thank you. Yeah. Continue. Continue please. इधर से शुरू कीजिएगा. सबको एड्रेस करना है प्लीज.
Okay.
टॉपिक बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट है भाई. या सरप्राइज है.
Yes. So now I want to talk about the truth. The truth of the world that you are alone here. The truth of the world that you can do anything alone here. The truth of the world is that no one is here to support you. The truth is that no one will give you anything in this world. We have to understand this thing that what we have, it is our. It is that truth that we want to do something. In this, we have to do something. The truth of this world, no one is here to give you something.
No one is here to give you something, right? No one is here to give you something. कम से कम क्लैप करके तो पॉजिटिविटी दिखाओ यार। कितना पैसा आदमी है, कितना हाथ रखे हुए है यार।
The truth of this world, they will always criticize you. And
Yeah.
the truth of this world, they will always bring you down.
Right.
Yeah, you have to understand this thing. This world will never give you anything because you are alone here and you have to understand this thing. So thank you so much.
The two guys are left actually, one boy and one girl. Let's see who is better, okay? A girl is better or boy is better, right? It's like competition now, okay? It's like that actually. This comes into my mind. I'm your teacher, you are my teacher. तो फिर I'm the boss. I am the CEO of SMB English. Obviously, I will take the decision. You will take the decision. You cannot take the decision. Okay, you will have to. Okay, इसमें आपका किस्मत है, right? क्लैप कर दीजिए because यही आपको हराएगा और जिताएगा. Sir, viewers, he says कि I want to change. जोर से बोलो.
I want to change it.
Okay, I want to change it. Topic क्या है? ये पढ़ के तो पढ़ पाते हो? ये दिखा दो
Yes,
पहले.
sir.
क्या है टॉपिक?
Aloofness.
अलोफनेस, बेरुखी. ये तो बॉलीवुड मूवी हो गया बे. बेरुखी, अलोफनेस. Okay, this topic he doesn't want to try. It's last chance. Last chance.
It's very
Risk. He is going to take risk. Okay. His इज्जत प्रतिष्ठा सम्मान सब चीज is at risk, is in danger. सब खतरा में आज है. Please, publicly आज बेइज्जती हुई.
No, sir, I will not let it be.
Let me down, right?
Yes, sir.
चलिए, start.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I'm perfectly fine. Today, I'm here to share with you risk. What is risk?
Risk.
Risk is very important in our life. When we take risks, it become fixed.
Right. कुछ भी बोल रहा है भैया, कुछ तो बोल ही रहा है. He is at least speaking English.
Yes, sir.
कर क्यों रहे हैं? To improve English? Yes, sir. Speak anything.
And second,
कुछ भी.
we want to.
Okay, you are winner, right? Winner don't.
Which
you know,
means
try कुछ
related
भी.
topic.
Yeah. You're right.
We want to take everything perfect.
Perfect.
Right.
Come this side. Come this side.
Right?
Huh.
We want to take everything perfect.
Right.
And Ratan Tata is opposite from us.
Right. He is very opposite.
He takes risk. He says always कि take anything and make this perfect.
Right.
So time is limited.
Time is limited. Very smart. Very smart. सब समझ रहे हैं सर कि लास्ट में ये परफॉर्मेंस है धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस. You need to continue the video, okay, till the end, and don't forget to write the comments. Okay, your comments are really motivation for me. Okay, and
So how are you all?
Fine and fine.
I'm also perfectly fine. So today I'm going to explain you what is perfection. So I'm not take your lots of time. I'll take just 2 to 3 minutes.
good.
And I'll
नहीं
try
ले लो
to
तुम 1 घंटा मैं देता हूँ. I have time. Continue. Smart player, right? Yeah.
And I'll try to explain all the things. What is perfection? So I'm going to start. No one is perfect here. Like we are always thinking, I don't have anything. If like you have the potential, you have the same energy, but the problem is here we are always comparing ourselves to another person. Like she has a luxury life, she has the car, she has the house, and she spent his life very beautifully, but I don't have. But in reality, you have also.
Yeah.
But we don't know. So what we can do? In some time, if we have something less, like we don't have a good life, then we are share our problems, what we don't have, we are start to share with others.
We start to share our problems to others, right?
Yeah, we share this thing with our friends,
Right.
and I'm just it's my suggestion to you,
Okay.
don't share your problems to another, to
Doctor
other
को भी ना?
person.
Can
It's
we
a
share the
process.
problems to the doctor?
If you have some health issues, then you can share, but don't share your personal problems.
To anyone.
Yeah,
To anyone. That's good. That's good. Thank you.
Don't try to interrupt us, please.
I will interrupt. Okay, अभी तो अगला जो प्रोग्राम करने वाला व्यूअर्स को पहले बताते हैं, वेट करो, उस वीडियो के लिए बहुत तगड़ा होने वाला है. मैं पूरी तरीके से इंटरप्ट करूंगा. उस इंटरप्शन के साथ भी हमारे मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर अंग्रेजी बोलेंगे, राइट? आप बोलते रहोगे, मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब करूंगा, मैं आपके साथ नाचूंगा, गाऊंगा, कुछ भी करूंगा, ठीक है, बट आपको अपनी बातें पे बनी रहनी, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड?
Yeah.
Distraction is there in the world, alright? You want
Please.
problem-free world?
Yeah.
You want? No, there is no problem-free world actually, right? There is
Okay.
problem.
So if you have some problem,
Very
then you can share with yourself. The God is free. You can share your problem. Go God to God. Hey God, I have problem. Why you don't give us money? Why you don't give me this kind of life? Just say it to God, because He is alone. The person, He will definitely help you. No one else.
Right.
Not your friend, not your family, not your colleagues. Just He will help you. And that's
Connect yourself to the powerhouse. हाँ, इन्होंने परफेक्टली खराब किया. Right? That's good. You did very well. Okay, ये तो कहने के लिए है, बाकी तो viewers decide करेंगे. Okay, so कुछ भी नहीं लास्ट में था. Okay, all right. You must share this beautiful video. Likes, okay, likes give me great feelings. Okay, so do like this beautiful video and keep supporting our activities. Okay, many things are to come. So now, please, round to clap. Please walk this way and clap, clap, clap. Everyone, please clap. Right, turn, okay? And you will go to your class. Laika, aisa nikallo class. Laika, you nikallo class. Aisa karke mur jao, class chale jao. Okay? This is, hey, acha, the lines, this will look better, yeah? Yeah. Okay, go to class this way. You looking today, you know, like NCC people, okay? Those who follow the instructions of their commander, okay? You're following very well. You're looking so energetic today. Thank you for watching.